Guys, shooting a video today. 3, 2, 1, and action.
There are a lot of fantastic. So
for the full year, we're having our.
Judging of what?
No, I just watching your words.
Hi, welcome to Vokèra. My name's Chris Docherty and I'm Head of Sales.
And my name's Scott Foster and I'm National Key Account Manager.
We have made lots of positive changes for 2026, none more so than the Installer Affinity programme.
In 2026, the Affinity Loyalty Scheme turns 20 years old. So this year, we're going to celebrate bigger than ever. Every month, one installer will win £1,000. And at the end of the year, one lucky installer will win a Transit electric van. As well as a monthly and annual raffle, every boiler registered throughout 2026 earns rewards. Starting from the Easy Heat with a £5 reward, the Vibe Max 15, the Synergy could earn £35 and the Pinnacle boiler could earn you £50 for every boiler registered on our Affinity scheme.
Scott and I and the wider Vokèra team would like to thank all our customers for the support, and we very much look forward to working with you in 2026.